guys, Amit here, and we have the latest smartwatch from Timex. This is the Helix MetalFIT. Now, with the name itself, you can understand that this has some specific feature around metal, and this comes with a lot of interesting features, power packed. As you can see, there are some design options available here, while on the back we have more details about this product. Like the MRP is 4,999, though you can check out the link in description to know more on the exact pricing of this product. Now, taking a look at the complete features, there's a big list of features. Like it comes with a fitness buddies feature, multiple watch face design, sleep tracking, Spo2 measurement. It comes with multiple activity modes, and also it comes with sedentary alerts, which means that if you're sitting in one place for a longer duration, then it would also alert you. It comes with heart rate monitoring, step, calorie, distance, call, SMS and social alerts. And also we have the phone finder. In case you are not able to find your phone, you can use this product to find the phones. And also it comes with fitness rank and badges and vital circles. So this is what all you get within this package. I mean, in terms of the features, also do make a note that you need to download the Helix Smart application from both the Apple Play Store, or you can download it from the Android store, which is the Play Store, and go ahead with installation of the application to start using this specific product. So let us quickly open this up and take a look at the product. So first thing first, once we open up the box, we have the smartwatch here itself, and it comes with a dummy sticker. And I'll just place it on the side for a moment and take a look at the package content. So first thing first, we have a very simple getting started guide where you can take a look at the information, what all is covered under the warranty, what all is not covered, and the application details which you need to download on your smartwatch and start off using the product. So very minimal, but all the important information given here. Apart from that, we have a very proprietary designed travel charger, you can say, cable, using which you can charge this product. So this is how the pins look like in order to charge the product. Now taking a look at this product itself, first thing first, the standard Timex design. So if you recall going to a store for buying a watch, this is how a regular watch is sold, and this is the same design pattern given here, which is quite cool. We have an MRP of 4,999, and let me just remove it from the strap. And here we go. This is how the watch looks like. Let us just pull this out from the box, and once we are done with this, as you can see here, this is how the watch looks like. I mean, both the sides, it does have a similar look. It has a dummy sticker, so let me just remove the sticker and take a look at the display. So here is how the watch looks like. First impressions, as you can see here, the design is quite simple. There are no buttons on the side, and on the back we have all the sensors. As you can see here, it has a mention of all the pedometer and heart rate monitoring, IP67 waterproof certified, and also it's compatible with iOS and Android with the serial number mentioned down at the bottom. Also, these are the pins where you would just connect this and start charging. So that's how the watch looks like. Of course, it's quite simple to even change the strap using these buttons. You can just press it and remove these straps and change it with any new strap which you would like to replace it with. Now talking about the strap, it's a simple strap. If you don't like this design, you can definitely change it out, though of course I generally don't recommend people to switch to a cheaper strap. Whatever you get from the companies are generally tested and should be good enough when compared with all the aftermarket straps. So that's something which you should make a note of. Now let me just quickly charge this up for a moment so that it would start booting up, and then take a look at this specific product with the software integration. So here is the pin. Let us just connect this and connect it to the power adapter. So we have just booted it up, and as you can see here, this is what the display looks like. Now swiping it from the left to the right, we have different options here. This is the welcome screen where you can see all the details, and it also has a fitness data available here. Swiping from the top to the bottom, we have additional options here, like the option to enable or disable the vibration, or you also have the option to change the display brightness. So you can reduce it, you can increase it depending on however you would wish to have it. And apart from that, under the settings, we have additional options here, like you can go through all these options. Of course, under about, you have the Bluetooth details and also the MAC address. Now talking about the other features of the smartwatch, as you can see here, when you swipe to the bottom, we have the activities window, heart rate, Spo2 monitoring camera. So if you'd like to take a picture using this smartwatch as a toggle or a shortcut button, you also have the option of music, timers, stopwatch, alarm, and also find phone and settings. So let me just quickly show you the overview of the activities. So you have a bunch of different activities like the running, walking, cycling, climbing, treadmill, spinning, yoga, basketball, football, badminton, and also the option of recording the information manually. The heart rate option will allow you to take a look at your heart rate and you get the details on the smartwatch itself. And apart from that, you also have the Spo2 monitoring, which can also be recorded and save the data onto your application. So right now I'm not able to install the same. I'll probably have to reinstall the application, but then as you know, it's quite simple and the application does give you a lot of interesting details which can help you in using this product. But overall the product's looking quite interesting. So it was a quick overview of the latest smartwatch from Timex, that's the Helix MetalFIT. As I mentioned earlier, it comes with a big list of features, and this is how the watch looks like. A very simple, simplistic design, as you can see here. And overall, this is what you get in this smartwatch in terms of the features, and the touch is also quite good enough considering the price point at which it has been launched. So this was a complete overview of this latest smartwatch from Timex. If you think this video is useful, do hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to this channel for more videos. I'm Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.